Syscape is about modeling a mission, looking at where the vulnerabilities are, and then figure out how to overcome those vulnerabilities and still accomplish that mission. We are solving a problem at a planning stage where we have a system of systems, we want to accomplish a mission, and we are looking at that entire system of systems along with the mission that needs to accomplish. Syscape is our analysis framework. It has a collection of reusable capabilities within the framework that can be used over and over again for a variety of application domains. It allows us to capture the structure of a complex process or system and then associate with each element of that structure a behavior. And the behavior is done using a model of some sort. It could be in any format that the user desires, like Java or C++, or it could be a hardware description language like VHDL or even a language such as MatLab. And then the third aspect of Syscape is what we call as plugins. They are the ones which analyze that structure and behavior that the user inputted into Syscape. So the user defines the behavior, the user defines the structure, and then the analysis is performed at the plugins. We have been able to apply it to a variety of application domains such as supply chain analytics, cybersecurity, system of systems analysis, business process optimization. The unique differentiator for Syscape is its ability to rapidly deploy applications in the area of optimization, assurance, and automation so that they can deploy it for the benefit of the warfighter. The TPOC plays an important role in terms of making sure requirements are well understood, and then the development is going in the right direction. And if requirements evolve over time, making sure that we understand what the changes are and how new gaps have emerged or new areas that could potentially be addressed with the same technology that were not originally intended or thought about, but have since become possible as a result of the new developments on the phase 1 or phase 2 SBIRs. We have leveraged the SBIR program, several phase 1 and phase 2 projects to develop innovative technologies, but not only have we developed those technologies, we have actually transitioned them to the warfighter through 7 phase 3 SBIRs to date. Our mission in life is to not only develop these innovative technologies that bridge a gap that exists in the warfighter capabilities, but transition them so that those gaps could be bridged and new capabilities could be provided to the warfighter.
Syscape is a framework so that we're not fixed to avionics systems. We could be modeling commercial systems, banking systems, medical systems, so it has great applicability out there in terms of fighting vulnerabilities, cyber vulnerabilities in other systems other than avionics systems. And being able to make an impact at the very front of the design will save millions of dollars. When we find a vulnerability, we want to find the vulnerability at the beginning of a process instead of at the later end when it takes millions of dollars to correct it.
We are making a difference. And that's what this is all about. The idea of SBIR program is not to just develop innovative technologies, but actually to make a difference. And we have been able to make a difference through our phase 3 work, where we have not been able to just develop the innovative technology, but actually transition it for the benefit of the warfighter. So we feel great about being able to do that.